Guys, this is Chahat Singh and you're watching Chahat Singh. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself in front of you all. So my name is Chahat Singh and I am studying in class 6 with CBSE board. So as you know that in the month of Feb, the examination will be started for class 2 to 11. So my examination also will be started from from 25 Feb to 18th March. So every student have their own strategy to score 90 plus percentage. So I have also made strategy to score 95 plus percentage. So in this video I will tell you how I make strategy to score 90 plus percentage. So friends, so I invite my father to ask me some questions about my strategy for my final exam. So I also want to share my strategy to my father. So please welcome my father Satyendra Singh.
Guys, first of all, I would like to give you thanks to introduce me in this video and to invite me in this video. My name is Satin, and she's my daughter. And today I'm going to ask some questions regarding final examination to score much better than this at this time. And she wants to much better than last time, and she want to 95 plus above in his class. So first of all, I would like to ask which kind of preparation you have created, and which kind of strategy you have created to score 95 plus in your sixth class. Okay, so can you tell me some?
Yeah, so I have made a strategy for my final exam to score 90 plus percentage. So in the fifth standard, my two subjects are very low, that are English and SST. So I have decided that I have to focus on these two subjects, that are English and SST. So
Okay,
when I
okay, you want to focus your English and
SST,
SST. Why?
because in SST there are three subjects like history, geography, and civics. So I confused in this three subject. So that's why I my score is very low in
Okay,
SST.
how much you get marks in your last examination in SST?
You mean postmate?
Yeah.
Okay. So in postmate I have got 35 out of 40.
Okay. Oh my God, 35 is the very good marks, but you want to increase your marks.
Yeah. So I want to increase my marks. So in my final exam, there's a total 80 marks. So I want to score 79 or 80 out of 80.
Okay, it means that you want to take 75 above in 80 out of 80.
Yes.
Okay, okay, it's very nice. If you want to, if you will be able to prepare your strategy, if you are make a good strategy to score 95% above in your each and every subject, then you will get. Okay, can you tell me how much marks you have get in your previous examination total? I'm asking about total exam marks.
You asking about each subject or
No,
total?
I'm asking about total subjects. How much percentage you have get in your previous examination?
So okay, I get 93.66 percentage in my half yearly exam. So that was my fourth rank. So I want to increase my rank. I want to score first rank or second in my sixth class. So that's why I have make hard work for my final exam. Yeah.
Okay, I also expect and I also pray to God that you will fulfill your dream and you get much marks in your final examination. And I pray to God that you get second or first rank in this final examination in which you are studying.
Yeah.
You are studying in sixth class.
Yeah. I'm studying class sixth class.
Yeah, so you have a great strategy, and I hope you will fulfill your dream.
Yeah.
What's your dream?
So my dream is then become an IPS officer. So that's
And as
why.
well as you want to, your dream is to be a second.
Yeah. Now time my dream is become my dream is score first or second rank in my sixth class. So that was my now dream. But in my future, my dream is become an IPS officer.
So it's very nice, fantastic, and I hope this. If you are working so hard and you have a good dream, and if you are hard, if you're trying to hard work hard more, much more hard, like this, then you will definitely get your dream.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all about my strategy, how I make a strategy for my final exam. So I hope that you have also decided your strategy about your final exam. So please mention your strategy, how you make strategy for your final exam in comment box. So if you really like this video, so please subscribe and like this video, and thank you for watching this video.